I'm gonna put a hole right in the top of it, just like that. But if we look at the hole with the egg with the hole in the top, it just completely melted through. Here's the rest of our egg. It doesn't work, it's fake.
Well, to be fair, you did push the push pin really far up into that egg. Egg piercers are a thing and they make tiny holes.
This is an egg piercer. It has a needle tucked beneath the surface. Before cooking your eggs, pierce a tiny hole into the bottom of the shell, just like that.
So I'm going to try, see if I can do that with a push pin, you know, making a tiny hole. Very careful. Here we have the normal egg, the one without the hole. Yeah, it's typically as hard to peel as any typical egg. But sometimes you get a little lucky and it all comes along smoothly. And now we try the egg with the hole, which didn't leak in the pod, by the way, because I made the hole small enough. Apparently, if you use the push pin hack, you shouldn't put it in all the way. The hole should be really small. Wow, that was actually a lot easier. Okay, so it looks like this hack does work.